have the Roban Black Hawk 700 here. This is going to be the first maiden, actual maiden. Everything's pretty well assembled now. It's tuned better. It's almost at its final stage. I gotta tune some things here and there, but everything's okay for now. It's pretty windy right now, but it flies pretty good. So let's go. It holds very good, and it's very controllable. You can see it's a very windy day today, so it does very well. The tail's holding. The wind has more of an effect on the fuselage due to the big footprint in the air, but it's doing very good. There's a nice hover. I'm using the Spectrum 6250HX for the flybarless unit. That's how I wanted to fly it. I don't like being easy on my collective. That's why I replaced those ball link rod ends. There she is, guys. A little more head speed. That's 1380. That's hands off. It's very windy today, by the way. Very windy day. It does very well. I don't know what people say that, I don't understand how they say that they don't fly well, that they, I don't know. I mean, you have to build it right. You gotta check it after every flight. You can see how windy it is by looking at those trees out back there behind my house. It's blowing pretty hard today, possibly maybe 50 mile per hour winds or more, not sure, but we're gonna check the motor and make sure everything's okay. It's got telemetry, so it's not too hot. It's pretty hot, but I can touch it for 5 seconds like they say. I had a few things come loose on this kit on my initial flights for test flights, and I've tightened everything that would come loose, even the umbrella gear here at the tail shaft. The set screw came a little loose, allowing more play, and that was messing with my PIDs, but everything's pretty good now. I did put a turning tail. It doesn't turn a full 360, but it gives me some wiggle room for the helicopter to adjust as it takes off, and it doesn't get stuck at the rear, because of the older landing gear at the rear. It kind of like hook into the ground, and the tail would stay stuck to the ground and want to tip over one way, just because there's so much weight on that small landing gear at the wheel. So with this, it's able to shift around as it takes off. That way you don't see when it's coming off the ground, it's not kind of like going sideways, backwards. Get the CG right too, and that also makes it nicer for landing. So here, let's go again. Actually, let me check the main blade grips. There's something I always check on these for the set screw. It's good. Ball link rod ends are good. Here we go again. It's a very smooth takeoff too. Every video I've seen is very weird. Like they take off pretty unstable. I'm just taking it easy right now because it is the first flight. Take it out of here because I don't want to carry it out, so we're gonna fly out.